guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How's everybody doing? Good, because we're back with another amazing quick recipe that's how we make dirty rice in a D, okay? So y'all come on in the kitchen. So guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we got a quick 10-minute meal to make. Something simple, quick, and delicious. Some may call it a struggle meal. Some call it affordable meal. Some might call it just dinner. Okay? So, yeah. So we're going to start off this recipe with just a little olive oil because we're messing with lean meat, okay? Y'all, I can't talk, okay? I just cannot talk. So I'm just going to put a little oil in this pan, right? Now, not that I had to, okay? And I got my pan on low, right? And I'm turning it up just a little bit. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for joining my channel, supporting the channel, because I really appreciate it. I'm trying to reach my goal. Guys, we got 73 lean and 27 fat. I needed a little more fat over in here, okay? So let me go ahead and open this up because we got us a quick dirty rice recipe that your girl is gonna bring you. I don't know why. I just felt the need to bring y'all this dirty rice, right? I just felt the need. Okay, I'm glad y'all hold on. Y'all heard me slam the scissors down. But anywho, yeah, this is the hardest ground beef I had to ever get in. But anywho, I'm not in no rush. Is y'all? But if you're first time viewer, thank you. If you're a long time rider, you know I appreciate you. But most of all, you guys, leave a comment below. Let me know how you like the video. And don't forget to share this video with any and everyone. Because what I do over here is bring affordable meals, you guys. Affordable meals. Now we're just going to go on here and let this do its thing. Because I want to get it brown. Right? And it's only a few ingredients. That's why it's a 10-minute meal. Because you're only going to use 3 ingredients. Right? 3 ingredients. It's what 1 pot meal. You cannot go wrong with this meal, you guys. You cannot. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in here and smash it up. Now, you notice how I'm smashing my ground beef. I'm not like, because I don't want chunks, right? I don't want any chunks up in here. So I'm just going to go on here and let this brown and do a thing. Now, most people will add onions, celery, bell peppers. And at any point and time, whether you put your ground beef first or whether you just put the bell peppers and onions first, it's no way of going around it, okay? Because it's still going to make a delicious pot. Let me tell you that, first of all. But we're not going to use onions and celery and things like that in this meal. You know why? Because a lot of it is in our soul food seasoning, right? So it has many of spices such as garlic, a little salt, a little black pepper, red crushed peppers. Yeah, so it has spices already up in there. So what's the use of me wasting my time? You know that? I mean, that's to each his own, though. You know, over here, we like affordable meals over here. That's what we like. Okay, we like to share affordable, quick meals. Something quick your family can enjoy. Especially when you don't want to do the hard work of labor around the house. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our seasonings, right? Let's go back to our seasoning. We got us some onion powder. Now, quite naturally, you want to use that. right? Now, it's in the seasoning, though. But we're going to put up some onion powder in here because we're not going to use the fresh diced onions. We're not. No, sir, we're not. But we got us some steak seasoning. Believe it or not, this steak seasoning is going to take it up a notch. Okay? You just need it just like that. Now, what is a pot of dirty rice without the soul food seasoning? Put you some soul food seasoning right on in there. And we got our black pepper. Now, plenty people like a lot of black pepper, and so do I. Okay, but we gotta get our garlic. When I find it, cause we're gonna put us some fresh mint garlic up in here, just like that. Wait 1 minute. We don't need a lot, cause a little go a long way, right? And just like that. Throw it in the pot. Okay? Because everything is swimming today. You hear me? It is so cold outside till it's unreal. So, now, poultry season is not just for poultry season. Thanksgiving, okay? We're going to put us a dash of poultry seasoning in there. That's it. That's all the seasoning we're going to use. Right? And we're going to go here and we're going to stir this pot on up and get it to cooking. Just like that. Now, try this recipe at home if you're not familiar with it. Or even if you're familiar with it and you never cooked it this way. Try it and tell me how you like it. Because of the way the economy set up, baby, I don't even know if I really want to eat, but that's a lie. Okay, that's a lie. I'm gonna eat. So, but sometimes I be thinking I don't want to eat nothing. You hear me? Because it's so expensive, right? So we only got 2 ingredients left, right? So we done put our meat in there with our seasoning. Now seasoning don't count as an ingredient because you're gonna put that in there anyway. So we got our first, right? Our first ingredient, which is the ground beef, okay? Now, our second, because I told y'all I had a lot of chicken broth. Yeah, we're going to put chicken broth. We ain't got no damn beef broth around here. Did I say that? Okay, y'all forgive me, okay? The real Mrs. Jonesy trying to come out. So go spread the word. Go spread the word. She keeping it a buck. Okay? We just gonna keep it a buck. But yeah, so now I had to use that fork to break that little bitty ground beef up. See how finely chopped that ground beef is now. So we just gonna let that do a little thing right quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so y'all see this ground beef has browned it up. Separated. It's finally, you don't need nothing extra. Just put it like that. Okay. So we got us some minute rice. Now don't ask me to measure this because I don't know. I just pour till my ancestors say stop. Okay. Now this type of rice make perfect. Make perfect for this type of recipe. So we're just going to go on and stir this rice on up in here and let the flavors get on that rice. Just like that. Because we just don't want to add our broth in here and let it do a thing. Even though I do believe it will do a thing. But we want to make sure that rice is well covered. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour me enough broth to go over all of this rice. Wait a minute. I got to get that corner. Because I know somebody going to be in the comments. Okay? But we're going to go ahead and pour that over in there. Just enough to cover the rice, right? Just enough to cover the rice. Now, it may be this whole quart. I don't know. Well, it pretty much is. Okay? Just like that. Y'all think we need a little more? Sure, but then I want it to be like soup. Okay? But we're going to go on here. Okay. Just like that. Now, if I should need it, I'll come and let you guys know. Which I don't think I need it. But we're going to go here and let this rice do its thing. We're going to put a cover on it. And let's just wait. So, fam, we are back. And yes, let's take a look. Because your girl... Wait a minute. Hold up. Your girl had to let this sit for a minute. Because, you know, we was making with that mini rice, right? So, okay, look at this. Let me get a fork. Let me get a fork. Let me see. Because we want to fluff it up, right? Look at there. Oh, look at that goodness right there, you guys. Check out this. Now, you know, wait 1 minute. Bam. You know what? As I was cooking, I had forgot, right? We got to add us a little Creole. Let's go here. Now, if you got Cajun around your house, by all means add it. But I don't want to add it because of the baby, right? Because she's an eater. Okay? We're just going to add a little bit, just like that. Now, yes, I could have added it, but I forgot, okay, charge it to the game. But we're going to stir it around anyway, right? Because we don't want to hit that bottom. Now, let me go in here so I can give me a taste of this goodness. You guys, so I can get a taste of this goodness. Now, I don't need another fork, okay? So, we got us a, you know, little bowl right here. We're just gonna go on here and put us on right on in here. Shall I add parsley? No, I'm not gonna add no parsley flakes because y'all gonna say I'm showing out, right? But anyhow, look at that deliciousness. Look at that deliciousness. Y'all see it? Oh my God. Now your girl gotta go over here for this bite. Here y'all go. Y'all taste it. You know, I be forgetting, but y'all like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing over on the channel. Because I need you to help me, okay? Okay? Okay. Y'all hurry up. Hurry up and tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all, the rice is perfect. This makes any comfort food taste so delicious. Y'all want to look at it again? Oh, I was ready to cover that up. Y'all, I'm going to take one more last bite. I'm going to give you guys a bite. How was it? I'm trying to tell you. Well, we have come to the end, my friends. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Cheap, affordable meals, you guys. Yes, it's nutritionist. I mean, what you think I'm going to bring you, right? Budget-friendly food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this homemade, delicious, dirty rice recipe. Simple and easy and in minutes. And it's a great one-pot meal. So you can't go wrong, right? But anywho, I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.